Best song. Starts at 11, starts at 11. 11. 11? Oh, you're right, you're right. Cool.
I don't know. Poor.
But you don't. Wish I could read your mind, but I can't, so I won't. I wish that I could say what it is I'd like to say. Instead I've got my tongue twisted up and tied away. I tried to do my best, and yes I know that failure is a lesson. I'll be guessing and stressing and trying to make up my decision. And oh, and this is how life goes. Every time I want poetry, she wants prose. I'm too slow, I'm trying to pick it up though. And you're really it, you know it's me you're feeling sorry for. Out of control, I cannot forget it though. Damn, I cannot forget it though. This is out of control, I cannot forget it though. Damn, I cannot forget it though. At least I got my brains, at least I got my wit. Watch me go on over, see the conversation slip. At least kinda twisted, and yes I'm kinda sick. I try to counter, man, I wish that I could hit and never miss, girl. Yeah, you know the things ain't easy. Try to understand and believe me. I want the real thing. Oh girl, I want the real thing. And this is out of control. I cannot forget it though. Damn, I cannot forget it though. This is out of control. I cannot forget it though. Damn, I cannot forget it though. Got it all figured out now.